In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip emotes in Cursed Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Acquiring new emotes in Cursed Arena is extremely simple. First, if you are on PC, all that you have to do to open the emote wheel is to press B on your keyboard. If you are on mobile, usually you will have to go over to this little icon over here at the top. So all that you have to do is go over to the emotes window. And upon opening the emote wheel, you will be able to choose from any of the emotes that you have. As you can see at the top, if you haven't acquired any emotes yet, you will have the price necessary to acquire emotes in either yen or Robux. So just choose whichever method you prefer. You just have to click here and you will have these warnings here, either by having enough yen or by choosing the option to purchase it using Robux. After you acquire the emote, all that you have to do is tap and hold on the specific emote. So let's say, for example, you had an emote over here at the top. You would just tap and hold if you're on mobile, or if you're on PC, just highlight the option here and then click once and you will be able to browse through all of them. So there's going to be a menu that pops up. It's very brief and I'm not sure if you will be able to see it because it's kind of transparent, but all that you have to do is change the emote using this menu that appears. There is going to be essentially a list with all the emotes that you currently own on your character or on your account, and you can pick between them. Unfortunately, I won't be able to demonstrate this, but like I said, all that you have to do is acquire emotes through different means, usually by purchasing them, so make sure that you save up enough yen or that you browse through the shop or events to see if there are any emotes being distributed, and you will be able to switch between them. So just open the emote wheel by pressing B on PC or clicking this little emote icon at the top, and you will be able to browse through all of them and choose from this window by selecting the specific emote that you would like to replace and highlighting them over. A list will appear with all of your emotes, and usually there is also the option to acquire extra slots. So if you click this button in the middle, there usually is a game pass attached to getting new emotes in your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to equip emotes in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.